Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. As promised, I'm gonna start doing some Super Bowl menu items that I do. I'm having a Super Bowl party at my house, and what I like to do, y'all, in the coming weeks before, y'all, I know I do 20-25 items for my party. So a lot of things I do ahead of time, put in the freezer. Friday or Saturday before the Super Bowl, I pull those things out, allow them to thaw out, and get them ready. This is one of those items, my meaty baked beans. There's about 5 or 6 items that I do every year that I must have at my Super Bowl party. This is one of them. Very simple, very easy, very flavorful. People love it. Think it's the best thing in the world. Meaty baked beans, of course, my brisket, my banana pudding. I gotta have peach cobbler. It's like, who has peach cobbler and banana pudding at a Super Bowl party? I've been doing it for years. It's become a tradition. My great glazed pork belly that I slow smoke and just tender. A lot of items that I'm gonna show y'all that's not really, when you come to my Super Bowl party, it's a next level Super Bowl party. It ain't just nachos and chips, burgers and fries and hot dogs. No. I have 6 kinds of chicken wings, all these kind of dips and chips and all these things. And people just in the awe when they walk in my house. But I absolutely love it because it gives me to showcase my skills, share with my neighbors, my friends, and my relatives, of course. So this is one of them. Meaty baked beans, y'all. Very simple. Bush baked beans. I use some thick barbecue sauce, which is sweet bay raisin, my go-to. Worcestershire sauce, a little mustard, bacon to go on top. I used to use liquid smoke sauce, but now I use my Uncle Steve Shake smoke bomb, which is even better than liquid smoke sauce. And then the meat I put in it, I use hot links. I got the slow bites, which is top of the line here in the state of Texas. Everybody know about this. Y'all seen I did a tour of this place this past summer. A slow box outside of Waco, Texas and West. Yes. So anyway, y'all, we'll step out, get everything prepped up, show you how easy this put together. You put it in the oven, you mix everything together, put it in the oven for an hour and a half uncovered. You got meaty baked beans. People think you worked all day on it. But I'm gonna do this, get it cooked off, and later on after it's cool, I'm gonna put it in my food saver bag and put it in the freezer. And all I gotta do is pull it out the day of, and I got some meaty baked beans. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. All right, y'all, let me show you how I put this thing together. Now, this going in a big hotel pan. If y'all know a hotel pan, then let me show you here. A restaurant size pan. I'll have like 30 of these, because I do a lot of catering. See these pans here? I have like 30 or 40 of these things I bought throughout the years. I do a lot of, I think each pan costs about 40, 50 bucks, some of them. Some of them, they probably going up to higher in price, but yeah, but that's irrelevant to the story. Okay, now what I do here, I split the bowls here with I split the sausage up between 2 bowls. I'm also gonna do the beans like this. Half in there. Best way possible. Of course, it ain't gotta be perfect. But once I get in the pan, I'm gonna stir it up too. But I just need to, cause I don't have a bowl big enough to do it all in one bowl. Okay, all this is putting everything in a bowl, mixing together. And the recipe, I think some people have made this before, and it's just like they go to now. I think I posted this recipe a couple of times before. Okay, we're gonna put a little mustard in there. Now this is why I used to put my liquid smoke, but now I use my smoke bomb. See the smoke bomb here? Go to UncleSteveShake.com, get you some smoke bomb. Put old school soul food or Chef Jeffrey in the special instruction box, and you'll get my fancy label on there. Okay, a little Worcestershire sauce, aka American soy sauce, and some barbecue sauce, y'all. Of course, I use Sweet Baby Ray's. You can use whatever thick barbecue sauce you want. That's it. And all we're gonna do, y'all, we're gonna stir this together. Mix it together really, really good. And we're gonna bake this about an hour and a half to hour and a half till it's nice and bubbly. Because everything in here is cooked already. I just want to get those flavors and married together. Let's get this mixed up. It smells amazing already, y'all. I'm telling y'all, this is one of my friends and relatives' favorite dish here. We're gonna put a little bit more barbecue sauce in this one here, y'all. Gotta have that barbecue. Gotta have that barbecue taste to it. Okay. Put this in together. All right. Now, get this out the way. Now we're gonna get our pan. All I'm gonna do, y'all, we're just gonna pour it in the pan here. Pour it all in the pan. Make sure you get it all in there. Okay. Get my other bowl here. Pour it in there. See that? See that, y'all? I'm telling y'all, this is so easy. People think you worked all day on this stuff. And it's like, oh yeah, I've been working all night on these beans. But I'm telling y'all, it don't get no better than these beans. Okay, one more thing I need to do. Move this way. We're gonna lay some bacon across there. Now you can miss, of course, people that don't like bacon. By all means, you don't have to put bacon on it. This is what takes it to the absolute next level, y'all. Is that nice bacon flavor, and the bacon go crisp up on top of it as it's cooking. It doesn't get no better. So I just take my bacon, go across there like this, and let me tell you, it's a couple of us here, including me, that will fight over this bacon that come off the top because it's nice and crispy, flavorful. I ain't gonna name no names because they probably watching the video, so I ain't gonna call them out like that. Ain't gonna be like that. But we will fight over this bacon that come off the top. We know how good it is, how flavorful it is. Okay, that one right there. And that one right there. Okay, all I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna put it in the oven, 350 degrees for about an hour and a half. Sometimes I'll turn it down after an hour and a half and let it go 2 hours. But a minimum hour and a half, because you want that bacon to get nice and crispy. You want this to get nice and bubbly and all those flavors are married together. I'm telling y'all, oh my God, you can make a meal in itself with this. You wouldn't need nothing else but a bowl of these, and it's good. But you get your side of my tender barbecue beef brisket and some potato salad and put this on the plate. It's on and popping, y'all. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back when it come out the oven. All right, y'all, we are back here. And look at this big bubbling goodness now. And y'all might say, oh, that's loose or whatever. No. Let me tell y'all. This juice is going to soak up in here. If y'all, and people that made this before know what I'm talking about. That's all, liquid going to all soak up in there, y'all. And it's nothing but goodness. You got that nice flavor from that bacon. Well, what I'm going to do, I'm going to let this sit here a little bit. And I'm going to come back here. And I'm going to get me a little plate of this. Not much. Because like I already told y'all, this is going in the freezer. I'm freezing this for later. And then when I do thaw it out on Super Bowl, the day before Super Bowl, I'm going to add me some burnt-in brisket ends. You know, I'm going to have a couple of smoked briskets on my pit for Super Bowl. And then when I'm trimming it, I always have little ends I trim. And I'm going to chop that up. I'm going to fold that into the beans too. It's going to make it even more and more meatier and more smokier. It's going to have not too smoky, but it'll have that nice smoky flavor. It's a game changer at my house. No pun intended. It never any left at all. I make a big whole pan like this, not any ever left. So anyway, I'm going to step off here, do a little world famous YouTube thumbnail, and we're going to taste this and we're going to see how it is. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back for the final time here. And another thing I'm gonna let y'all know, I didn't put in here, but you can put in here, and I'm probably add a little bit when I warm it up, is some brown sugar or some molasses to this, or some cane syrup, or some honey. If you like yours a little bit sweeter, but usually the barbecue sauce give it the sweetness. But when I warm this up next week, I'm gonna definitely add a little brown sugar to it when I rebake it in the oven, and that's gonna bring it up a little bit next level. And don't, like I tell y'all, you see it's a little loose right now. Once it's set up and all these beans really soak up into the liquid, this is gonna thicken up a lot, y'all. So let's go in here. Got a little meat on here. You know the beans are already cooked. We're just going to the next level with them. Look at that, y'all. Go in. And them sausages. I mean, who can't go wrong with some Texas smoked sausage and some beans? Look at that. Wow. That's definitely, like I say, once I add my brisket to this, y'all, a little bit of brown sugar, a little bit of some honey. Gotta have my famous potato salad. And brisket on the side. Like I said, it's not enough. I have so many things. People have to do it by stages, because everything can't fit on the plate. And I have big plates on my buffet, big paper plates too. Yeah. But anyway, try this for you. Even if you just go like a little cookout. I know it's winter time, but try this, y'all, on your next barbecue adventure, next party you have at home. And I'm telling you, it's a game changer. There's nothing left every year. It's one thing I never had to ask somebody to take away. Absolutely love it, bro. Anyway, y'all, let me close the video out. If you like the video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022, helping others with 23. Oh, I'm going to get it right here pretty soon, y'all. It's already February. And I'm still messing up. Y'all bear with me. 2023, just show some kindness. Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Go Chiefs. Bye.